Good afternoon, this is Beth Machine, the Executive Assistant at the Pittsburgh North Regional Chamber, and right now I am going to walk you through our conference technology instructions for our conference room. So as you can see, we have this amazing smart board. It's called an AQUOS board, and I'm going to walk you through how you turn it on, get it set up, and the different options you have whenever you are utilizing the conference room. So first off, when you walk into the space, the lights you can turn on in the back, and when you come up here, you will want to come to the back of the smartboard and you want to press the power button, which is right here. After you hit that power button, the smartboard will turn on and you will see just the screensaver screen. You will swipe up and get to this screen, the chamber screen. You want to enter the password for the chamber. So what it is just lowercase chamber. So you just type in CHAMBER, go. So now you can see this is, it functions just like a computer would. It also can be a display screen for your computer, and I'm going to show you how that works. And all of these instructions are all here in this manual, and this will be in the room whenever you arrive. So as you can see, when you're looking at this, the toolbar down below has most of the things that our conference room space utilizes. So if you're renting the space, all of the things that you would normally use would be here. So you have Google Chrome, whichever, if you're using Google Meets or if you need to get access to your email to get to your calendar. You have Zoom, you have Skype, and you have PowerPoint. Now, if you want to utilize this for presentation only, everything's already set up, and all you need to do is if you want to bring in a USB, you take a USB drive and you can plug it into the back. You want to make sure you put it in the black box in the back in one of the USB ports. If, however, you don't have a USB drive or you just brought your laptop, you need to make sure that it's a Microsoft PC. That means that it has to be Windows-based. If you have a Apple-based computer, it will not connect with our display board here because this is all Windows-based. So what you want to do is two options. The first option is that you can connect it directly with an HDMI port. When you're doing that, you want to make sure you have an HDMI cable that works with your laptop, and then you will plug it into one of these ports right here. After you're done connecting it, you want to come over here and click on the touch menu right here. And this is where you will change to one of these ports here, HDMI 2 or 3. So you just need to make sure you see which one you plugged into. Okay, so after that's done, you can go ahead and get started. And what you're doing is you're actually using your laptop as the presentation, and it's just viewing it on here. So you just control everything from your laptop. If you're choosing to use the USB port in the back, then you will go here and start PowerPoint. And excuse me while I do that. And then you will choose other presentations from the computer, browse. And then what you're going to do is you're going to search for the D drive, which will probably be one of the USB drives, and you'll see that by what's in here in the file folder. Okay. We do have one other way to connect your laptop to the smart board. If you want, you can do a wireless display connection. When you do that, you want to make sure that PNRC Guest 2.4 is connected here and on your computer. When you do that, it's going to connect here, and I'll show you what you need to do. So you're going to connect here and on your laptop. From your laptop, when you get connected to 2.4, you're going to want to choose Properties on your laptop, and you're going to want to make sure that Private is selected so that the smart board can see your laptop. Okay, so that's how you connect for just presentations. If you're using this for video conferencing, you can see a camera's already set up. So I'm going to choose our Zoom account. And I'm just typing it in right now. And you can see that I'm using our touch screen to be able to log in. Bear with me a second. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in my Zoom account. So I'm going to just start one of our meetings. So when I hit start, as you can see, the smart board is viewing me in the room here. I have the video on. Right now, the audio is off, but you're going to use this speaker. So you can see when I press the power button, and then the blue light will show up. Once that blue light turns on, you can see over here, you switch to this speaker here, the eMeet audio. And then on your Zoom, you want to make sure that eMeet audio adapter is selected for both the speaker and the microphone. Now you're able to hear everybody in the room, and everybody that's on your Zoom call should be able to hear you clearly as well. When you're connected with Zoom, you want to do your presentations from your laptop and connect to the Zoom call, not use the smart board for anything other than Zoom. And you also want to make sure that you are not connected to anything but the Ethernet line. So this PNRC trusted. This will assure that you have a strong internet connection for your meeting and there won't be any instability while you're on the call. So now you've seen all of the things that we can do with our conference room. If you have any other questions about getting set up to rent our space, feel free to give me a call, Beth Machine, at bmachine@pghnorthchamber.com, or you can call 724-934-9700.